Seahorses are small marine fish belonging to the genus Hippocampus, known for their horse-like head, upright posture, and curled tails. Unlike most fish, seahorses swim upright and have a bony exoskeleton instead of scales. These fascinating creatures inhabit shallow coastal waters, especially in seagrass beds, coral reefs, and mangroves. Despite their mystical appearance, seahorses are real and highly specialized creatures with unique biological traits that distinguish them from other marine animals. Seahorses have a long tubular snout for sucking in plankton and small crustaceans, and they rely heavily on camouflage to avoid predators. Their bodies are covered with hard, segmented plates, and they lack caudal fins, the tail fin most fish use for propulsion, making them relatively poor swimmers. Instead, they use their dorsal fin to move forward and their pectoral fins, near the head, for steering. Their prehensile tails are used to anchor themselves to vegetation or coral, keeping them stable in the current. One of the most remarkable aspects of seahorse biology is their method of reproduction. In a role reversal rare among animals, it is the male seahorse who becomes pregnant. During mating, the female transfers her eggs into a specialized brood pouch on the male's abdomen. The male then fertilizes the eggs internally and carries them for several weeks, providing oxygen and nutrients. When the embryos are ready, the male undergoes muscular contractions to give birth to live, fully formed miniature seahorses. This unique reproductive process highlights the evolutionary innovation of the species. Seahorses are carnivorous and feed primarily on tiny crustaceans such as copepods and mysid shrimp. They lack teeth and stomachs, so they must eat almost constantly to stay alive. They use their long snouts to create a vacuum that sucks prey into their mouths. Their excellent camouflage allows them to ambush prey by blending into their surroundings and striking with swift head movements. Despite their captivating nature, seahorses face numerous threats in the wild. Habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and overfishing are major concerns. They are also heavily targeted for traditional medicine, the aquarium trade, and as curiosities in souvenir shops. Many seahorse species are now listed as vulnerable or endangered. Conservation efforts, including marine protected areas, sustainable trade practices, and captive breeding programs, are essential to ensure their survival. The life of a seahorse is a testament to the diversity and adaptability of marine life. From their unique reproductive roles to their survival strategies in challenging environments, seahorses continue to captivate scientists and ocean lovers alike. Protecting these mysterious creatures not only preserves biodiversity, but also helps maintain the health of the ecosystems they inhabit. Whales are the largest animals on Earth and belong to the order Cetacea, which includes both whales and dolphins. These magnificent marine mammals are known for their intelligence, complex behaviors, and impressive size. There are two main types of whales: baleen whales, such as blue whales and humpbacks, that filter feed small organisms like krill, and toothed whales, like sperm whales and orcas, that hunt fish and squid. Whales are found in oceans all over the world, and their life cycles are deeply connected to the health of marine ecosystems. Whale calves are born alive after a long gestation period, which can last up to 18 months, depending on the species. They are typically born tail first to prevent drowning, and they can swim within minutes of birth. A newborn whale is nurtured and protected by its mother, relying on her rich milk, which has a very high fat content for rapid growth. This strong mother-calf bond is essential for the calf's survival, and it often lasts for months or even years. As whales grow, they begin to learn vital survival skills through social interaction and imitation. Some species, like humpback whales and orcas, live in highly social groups called pods. These pods often consist of family members and are crucial for learning migration routes, communication patterns, and hunting strategies. Whales use a wide range of vocalizations, often referred to as songs or calls, to communicate, attract mates, or navigate the vast oceans through echolocation, especially in toothed whales. Whales have diverse feeding strategies based on their species. Baleen whales filter enormous amounts of water through comb-like plates in their mouths to catch tiny prey such as plankton and krill. In contrast, toothed whales actively hunt fish, squid, and other marine animals, using echolocation to find prey in deep or dark waters. Many whale species migrate thousands of kilometers each year between feeding grounds in colder regions and breeding grounds in warmer waters, making them among the greatest travelers in the animal kingdom. Whales reach sexual maturity at different ages depending on the species. Courtship and mating behaviors can include vocal displays, physical contact, and synchronized swimming. Once pregnant, the female whale carries her calf for over a year. Because whales reproduce slowly, often giving birth to a single calf every 2 to 3 years, their populations are especially vulnerable to threats like hunting, pollution, and climate change. Whales can live for several decades, with some species, like the bowhead whale, known to live over 200 years. Despite their size and strength, whales face natural threats, such as predation, particularly on calves by orcas or large sharks, diseases, and environmental stressors. Their long lifespans make them indicators of ocean health as they accumulate and reflect changes in the marine environment over time. Human impact and conservation. Historically, whales were hunted extensively for their blubber, meat, and baleen, driving many species to the brink of extinction. Although commercial whaling has decreased due to international bans, whales still face serious threats today. These include entanglement in fishing gear, ship strikes, ocean noise pollution, habitat loss, and climate change. Conservation efforts, marine protected areas, and international agreements like the International Whaling Commission, IWC, play a crucial role in protecting whale populations and their habitats. The life of a whale is a remarkable journey that spans the vast oceans filled with challenges and marvels. From birth to adulthood, whales demonstrate strong social bonds, complex behaviors, and incredible migrations. Their presence is not only vital to marine ecosystems, but also deeply symbolic of the need to protect and preserve the natural world. Ensuring the survival of these gentle giants is a shared responsibility for the future of our oceans. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals, known for their playful behavior, strong social bonds, and complex communication skills. They belong to the cetacean family, which includes whales and porpoises, and are most commonly found in warm, shallow coastal waters, although some species inhabit rivers or deeper oceans. A dolphin's life begins with a lengthy gestation period of about 12 months, after which the calf is born tail first to prevent drowning. The young dolphin or calf is nursed by its mother for up to 2 years and stays close to her for protection and learning, often remaining within the mother's social group for several years. Dolphins live in groups, called pods, which can range from just a few individuals to hundreds, depending on the species and circumstances. These pods often exhibit cooperative behaviors, such as group hunting, where they work together to herd schools of fish, and protection from predators like sharks. Dolphins communicate using a sophisticated system of clicks, whistles, and body language, and each dolphin has a unique whistle that acts like a name. They also use echolocation, emitting sound waves and interpreting the echoes that return to navigate and find food in murky waters. Their intelligence is remarkable, as demonstrated by their ability to solve problems, learn tricks, use tools, and even recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness. Dolphins are also known to form close social bonds, and some behaviors suggest they may feel emotions like grief, joy, and empathy. However, despite their charm and intelligence, dolphins face numerous threats. These include entanglement in fishing nets, habitat loss, pollution, and the impact of noise from ships and sonar on their communication and navigation. Conservation efforts worldwide aim to protect dolphins and their habitats, emphasizing the importance of preserving these incredible creatures for future generations.